Okay, we're here. We're going to do the Reteach 7.1. So this is explore collecting, organizing, and displaying data. So here is Reteach 7.1. And if you notice, you have a data table with data points at the top here. So what you are going to do, let me figure out. Okay, so they're walking you through taking the data points, putting it into a frequency table, and then making a line plot. Now remember, the line plot, some of you have been noticing, there are two X's above the number 1. There's nothing above 2. Why? Because there's no tally marks, there's nothing in the frequency table, and so forth. So the number of X's above the number on the line plot, that's how many X's that you should have. So when you go to make your line plot, please make sure these columns are straight. So we'll go down to 1 through 3 in the second half of the Reteach 7.1. So for the next month, the first graders kept a record of how many times they called one of their first cousins on the phone. So number of calls, phone calls to first cousins, voila. So we've got this labeled properly. So what I would do is quickly make this frequency table. So I'm going to have, let's see, we've got, okay, we'll go with tally. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what it appears to go to. So here's the tally. Here's the frequency. I'm just going to kind of abbreviate that. So here's a 2. I'm going to put a 2 right there. Just a tally mark, 0. And I'm lightly crossing off. There's a 2 1s, 1, 2. There's a 3, 4, 2 2s, 1, 2, a 3, 4, 3, 6, 0. Second 0, 3, 2, so that's 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2. All right, so this is 2, 4, 7, 5, 2, 0, 1. So this is going to be 11, 13, 18, 20, 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Double check yourself before you start moving over and doing the graph. Otherwise, if you've forgotten one of these data points, you're just going to run yourself ragged trying to figure out where you went wrong. So please double check yourself. Now, make the line plot. So we put 2 X's, why 2? Because it says 2. I put 2 X's there. 4 above the 1. And again, please try and keep these nice and straight. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I'm going a little high there. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 for 4, 0 for 5, and 1 for 6. So that's what your line plot should look like. Now, it says use the line plot for problems 2 and 3. So how many students made at least one call to a first cousin? Well, we're going to count up all of these, which is going to be 19. So you've got, so if you made 6 calls to one cousin, guess what? That's at least one call. So that's why it's 19. All right, sometimes a gap appears in the line plot because a particular result never occurred. Where is the gap in the line plot? I should see no X's, so at the 5. So I would write a simple sentence. There is a gap. I'm just taking part of that interrogative sentence turn it into a declarative at 5. So why is there a gap? No one, oops, I can spell one. No one made 5 calls to a first cousin. Voila. So that is Reteach 7.1. You're going to do, you're pretty much doing the same thing on P7.1. Good luck with it.